Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to talk actually about a project that I lost quite a bit of money on in 2017-2018 bull run. One of my biggest bets of the previous bull cycle that didn't play out so well for me, and I'm going to dive into why exactly that didn't work for me here in this video. I'm going to go over all of that. We're also going to talk about what I can do and what I've been doing to avoid some of those mistakes in the future. I had a lot of success in the last crypto bull run in 2021, and I would love to share some of the advice on how I did so much better second time around versus my first bull run in 2017-2018. So stick around to the end of the video to get the full scoop. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. Check out our content. We do 3 videos every day. Also, hit that like button if you're interested in what we got to share with you. So we're talking about NEO and a couple other projects. We're going to look at past performance versus future performance and making sure we're making the right choices moving forward into the future of crypto. So peeking at the markets, just give you an update. We're currently at $1 trillion still, so we're holding strong. Bitcoin at $22,000 and Ethereum at $1,520. We are just holding strong. We're in the middle of a bear market. So this is kind of a conversation to have at this time. What can I do smarter during a bear market to ensure that when the bull market does come back around, that I'm making the most gains possible and that I'm making the safest plays possible. So back in 2017, I found out about a project called NEO. And at that point, I had owned quite a bit of Bitcoin, quite a bit of Ethereum, and I started to buy some NEO, and it started to go up, and I was learning about altcoins. So NEO went very high up, very, very fast, and I'm going to see where NEO's at here, but it went, I believe, around $200 or so, and that started at a very, very low price of less than $10, and we're back down to $10. So this coin went all the way down to like $6. So I held it all the way, the whole time, from like $200 all the way down to $6, and I had all these gains I made on the way up, which were huge. I just let them wash away. Lesson number 1. Learn how to take profits, guys. You got to take some profits. We took some profits here in 2021 and did it a heck of a lot better. And we focused in on Bitcoin and Ethereum a little bit more, along with some of the top 10 projects. When NEO came down in 2018, it lost its status in top 20, and it went down. And currently, it is ranked at number 64. So a far stretch away from where it was before, and NEO is a similar kind of competitor to Ethereum. It is a China project, so something to keep in mind. But is this project dead? The project is still alive, but the hype is kind of gone. Nobody's talking about this project. If you look at some of the top YouTube channels, nobody's talking about NEO, and what I'm going to say with that is past performance, which was $183, $200 NEO, does not indicate future performance, because in the bull run of 2021, it only went up to $122. Now, I had a friend who did not reallocate those NEO funds during this downward time, and I did. And it started to come back, and he was asking me, okay, is this thing going to go to $200? And I told him, maybe, I mean, maybe. I wouldn't love to see a holding it in general, just because I personally don't love this project anymore. I had a lot of pain with it. I think there's better projects out there. And look, it didn't hit its all-time high again, and it didn't even retrace back up to where it was in the previous bull market and came right back down. And so if you bought this thing in 2017, I mean, you made a couple bucks, but not much at all over the course of, 5 years. So long hold for not a lot of progress if you just continue to hold that. So past performance does not indicate future performance. There's a couple other projects I want to highlight for you guys that are similar. One being Litecoin. A lot of people, including BitBoy Crypto, Ben with BitBoy Crypto, were really bullish on Litecoin. And I understand why. It's because, you think it's going to go back to its all-time high. And in this case, from the 2017 bull run to the 2021 bull run, it did. It went back all the way up to 360, but that's it. And then it hit a ceiling and it came right back down. Again, just because it hit that peak in 2017 doesn't mean it's going to break through and go to the, to the next level. What can we do to figure out if these projects should break through to the next level and should hit their all-time highs? Well, I think it depends on the news, and I think it depends on the future of that project. Do you truly believe in it? Now, the reason I don't like Litecoin as well is because Charlie Lee, who was the main guy for Litecoin, came out on CNBC in 2017, 2018, and started trash talking the entire crypto industry and really made some bad moves. He sold a lot of bags. He rug pulled his whole, any of the hodlers of the coin, and it's got a bad history. For me, it's out. Neo, they've kind of had their own problems as well. They're kind of out. Now, here's another coin I want to point out for you guys. Ripple. What up, Ripple Army? If you're there, smash up the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. But Ripple is another coin here that, man, everybody was expecting in 2017. This thing to repeat that 2017, 2018 move, and it didn't. And it was a really tough time. But part of the reason for that is the SEC news, or so that's what everybody's talking about. So, Ripple, a lot of people love it. I can't count Ripple out yet. I'm not going to call Ripple a dead coin. I think it's a great project. I'm looking to potentially accumulate some of that here in this bear market, but I'm mostly focused on the ones that are tried and true, which is Ethereum, Bitcoin, some of these top 10 coins, the top 20, the exchange tokens. Some of the exchange tokens even have their own risk. Voyager, Celsius, both dead projects looking to get bought up by other companies like FTX right now to just survive and cash out. So guys, you got to keep an eye on the latest stories that are coming out. Past performance does not indicate future performance. Very important to point out. If I had just focused on Bitcoin the entire time that I've been buying crypto, I would be a lot more wealthy than I am today. I'm very fortunate in the gains that I have had from Bitcoin and some of these other altcoins that I do love, like crypto.com and Zilliqa and, some of these other large projects. Obviously, Ethereum is, I don't even consider Ethereum an altcoin, but past performance does not predict future performance. But if you're looking to accumulate during a bear market, if you're trying to find a coin that might go back up to its all-time high, you should look at projects that have some good roots. The developers were good, the founders are talented, the white paper is good, and it's a project you could actually see people using. You gotta like the technology and you gotta understand it. That's all I got in today's video. I'm Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. Stay safe out there, guys. Don't over-invest in any altcoins, but make sure you're doing your research if you are putting some serious money in there. And that's exactly what we're going to keep bringing you here at the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everyone.